Hello, my name is Mr. Allegro. I am about to show you how to print from a Google document. First, I pull up my Google document that I would like to use. I've already clicked on my screencast tutorial as the document I'd like to print. I could also use my Google Drive and look up any recent documents that say my humanities teacher asked me to print last night or this morning. On my document page, I go up to File, and I scroll down to the word Print. My document should appear in the preview window. All I have to do is hit Print and make sure the destination of my printer is correct. I would like to print to BG06, the printer in the basement. I click Print, and I go check on it. If there's any printer problems, let your teacher know, or give Miss Maroney Wagner or the librarian in the library a heads up. Thanks.